Welcome everyone. Did you know that this little cube has turned the heads of millions of people? Today I will teach you how to solve the cube in the beginner method. Very easily, step by step. If you watch the video till the end, you will be able to solve your Rubik's cube yourself. To solve the Rubik's cube, first you need to know the names of the pieces. The 4 pieces in the middle are called edge pieces, the piece in the middle is called centerpiece, and the 4 pieces in the 4 corners are called corner pieces. The first step is to make a white cross. Here we will just try to make a white plus sign. It looks complicated, don't worry. I am teaching it very simply. So let's scramble first. First, all the white edge pieces have to be brought to their opposite color, that is, yellow. For example, here is one piece. If I want to bring it to yellow, if I take it like this and rotate it like this, it will come up. Another one comes up. Luckily, that's not our problem. There's one piece here. But how do we lift it up? If we move it like this, the other one is going to get destroyed. So we'll first lower it down like this. Then we'll put the top one and lift it up. So look, all the white edge pieces have come up. Now how do we solve the white edge pieces? Look, the piece that will fit here is white and green, and we have the white and green piece here. So we'll match the green with the green and rotate it twice. So look, this piece is solved. In the next case, it will fit orange and white. So we'll match the orange and white piece here with the orange. Then we'll rotate it twice and bring it down. Similarly, blue and white will fit here. We'll match the blue with the blue. Then we'll rotate it twice and bring it down. Then red and white. I'll match red and red. Then I'll put it down twice. So look, our white cross is complete. Now we'll put the white corner pieces in place. If we do this, the entire white layer will be matched. So first we see that the piece that will fit here will be blue, blue, and orange. So the white, blue, and orange box is here. So I'll bring this box right above where it will fit. That is, after bringing it here, we'll put the piece on the right side. Keeping it on the right side, I'll give this formula until it matches. Right prime up prime. But it doesn't match yet. Right prime up prime. But it does match now. We have to do the other pieces in this way. If the notations seem a little confusing, I've made a separate video just about the notation of the Rubik's Cube. There's a link in the description. It will be easier if you watch that first. Then we'll see which piece will fit here. White, red, and blue will fit here. So we have this piece here. So we'll bring this box right above it. We'll put it on the right side. Then we'll give this formula until it matches. Right prime up prime. But it still doesn't match. Right prime up prime. Right prime up prime. You see, it matches now. Just like that, we have one more piece left. So green, red, and white will sit here. So this box is also right above us. So what do we do now? We'll put this piece on the right side. Then again the same formula. Right prime up prime, right prime up prime, right prime up prime. So look, our entire first layer has been solved. Now we'll learn the middle layer. To match the middle layer, you have to hold the cube upside down. This means the white part will be on top. Then, if we see which piece will sit here, green and orange. So in the case of green and orange, we have to find that box. Let's bring the green and orange boxes right here. If we put the boxes along this way, But see, the green does not match the orange. We have to match the top part. If we put it like this, but see, the green matches the green. Now, after positioning it exactly like this, we will see that it will not match the box on the right side, but it will match the box on the left side. We will see that. Green, orange here, but matches the box on the left side. If it matches the box on the left side, then this formula, down, left, down prime, left prime, down prime, front, down, front. Then see, we have solved it. Similarly, here is red and green. So this box is right here. And it matches the green. Now it will go to the right. If it goes to the right, then this formula, down prime, down, right, down, front prime. Then see, this is also solved. Now if we notice here blue and red, this box is already here but in a different way. So if we put any one box in here, then it will come out. And it will come down to one place. Then we will solve it with the previous rule. Suppose we are selecting the yellow box. So since it will go to the right, so down prime, down, right, down, front prime. So look at this box here. And that previous box here. So this upper part is red. We will match red with red. Then it will go to the right. This formula for the right is down prime, down, right, down, front prime. See, this also matches. And this piece is left, orange and blue. So this is already matched. It will go to the right now, to the right side, this formula. Down prime, down, right, down, front prime. So look at us, but the entire middle layer and 2 layers are already complete. Now we will make a yellow cross on the cube. Here we have to use some algorithms. But don't be afraid. I am showing it very slowly. Now we will get 3 options to make these crosses. This is one of them. Look at this one like L. Small l. So when this L is there, we will hold that L in this position. We will give this formula. Front W right prime, front W prime. Then see, we have a cross. Now this is another position. There is only I here. It looks like one eye. When I is there, we will hold it in this position and give this formula. Front right prime, front prime. Then see, we have a cross. There is another pattern, which is to have only one dot. That is, here is only one center yellow. There is no edge piece matching it. There is only corner piece. We will not go to the corner. We will make 1 plus of the edge piece. But there is no small l or I with it here. If it is, then first we will give the formula of income. Front right prime, front prime. Then we will get the L part, which is already in the position. Then we will give the formula of L. Front W, right prime, front W prime. Then our center cross will be done. In the last step, we will fix the yellow edge and then match the corners. First we see that these are not in the right place. Here are supposed to be yellow and green, but here are yellow-orange. And here are supposed to be yellow-orange. Here is yellow-green. So in such a situation, first we have to get all of them in the right place. Then it will be solved. So we can have 2 patterns for this. First, there are 2 already matched. Imagine the cube is like this. If we match yellow and green, we see this is also a scramble, this is also a Scrabble, only one solve. If we move again, we see it doesn't match in any direction. If we move again, we get orange. If we move again, we get blue and red. We mean 2 matches. When 2 matches, we will put it on the left side like this. We will hold the cube in this position and we will give it this formula. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, up prime. So see, our pieces are completely solved. So there is another pattern of edge pieces. That is, I am showing that. The pattern is like this. It only matches the opposite sides. That is, if we match orange, we get red. We get 1 o'clock. So if that happens, we will hold the cube in any direction. Let's take this formula again. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, up prime. Then we will see that any 2 of them must match. That is, if we match red, we have 3 different ones. If we look at it like this, then the time for orange and green to match is right. And these 2 are left. So we will put it in the previous formula. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, up prime. Now we will put the corner pieces in the right place. Here there should be yellow, orange, and blue, but here there is yellow, green, and orange. This is not the right piece here. The right piece here is here. But if we hold it like this, then our pieces will be destroyed. So we will see in such a situation whether any one of these 4 is in the right place. Here instead of yellow, blue, and orange, there is yellow, green, and orange, which is not correct. Here it would be yellow, red, blue, but there is yellow, red, green. Here there is yellow, green, red. There is green, blue, red. Here there is yellow, orange, green, but there is yellow, blue, orange. So in such a situation, we will take any one of the sides. Let's take this formula. Right up prime, left prime, up right prime, up prime, left up. After we give this formula, any one of the pieces will definitely match. For example, we did not match this. This did not match. This is a perfect match. By matching, I mean that it has to come in the right place. It coincided by chance. It is good for us. So we will put the one that matches on the left side. In this way, we will put it on the left side and give the same formula again. Right up prime, left prime, up right prime, up prime, left up. Now let's see if we have everything matched. Here it is solved. Here it is solved. Here it is solved. Here it is solved. Now we are at the very last stage of matching the cube. And in this last stage, we will get 3 positions. Among them, this is like this. We have to find one thing at the end, whether the 2 colors are on the same side. As we can see here, these 2 colors are on the same side. If they are on the same side, we will put them on the right side. And I will give this formula. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, left prime, up 2, left, up left prime, up left. Then see, we will solve it. Finally, we have 2 pieces. Its yellow is on the same side. So we will put these 2 on the right side. This formula is put on the right side. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, left prime, up 2, left, up left prime, up left. Then our cube is solved. This is the second position. Here, the 2 corner pieces are on opposite faces and both are in the correct position. So there is no way for it to be on one side. The 2 colors will not come on one side. So we'll take any one unsolved piece on the right. Let's say we'll give the same formula. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, left prime, up 2, left, up left prime, up left. And this is our third position. In the third position, we will put any of these solved pieces on the left side. We will give this same formula. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, left prime, up 2, left, up left prime up left. So look, we have come to the last position. And these two are on the same side. We will give this formula by putting it on the right side. Right up 2 prime, right prime, up prime, right up prime, right prime, left prime, up 2, left, up left prime, up left. So our entire cube is solved. How did you like it? If you found the video helpful, then give it a like. And of course, solving cubes can be more confusing if you don't watch my notation videos. If you subscribe to the channel, you will get more cube tricks and speed solving. See you in the next video.